Hi, I'm Steph Evans from Evotech, partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex quick bites, this time looking at controlling and displaying node coordinate frames in Apex.
We've now got the ability to manipulate node coordinate frames in Apex, so we can click on a part and see both the reference and the displacement coordinate frames, both of these parts in this assembly. Given that one of the parts reference has a non-global reference coordinate frame, we can simply manipulate or rotate that coordinate frame and it will update all of the reference node positions. Okay, so we don't need to transform anything, we can do all of that by coordinate frame control. Looking at results, we can see the model position based on the reference coordinate frame and then vectors of displacement based on the analysis or displacement coordinate frame.
I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.